Today we're going to check out this cute little sleek modern bob style by Estetica. This is Merit in the color Sunlit Blonde. This wig style was sent to me by Wig Studio One for this review today. You can find it at Wig Studio One. Go below the video, expand the description box. There'll be a direct product link. It'll be titled Estetica MERITT. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and the pricing. If you have any questions for us, be sure to reach out to support at wigstudio1.com, and don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. All of those links are also below. Merit is a short, sleek, modern style bob. Swingy, airy, low profile, low density. Today it's in the color Sunlit Blonde. Now Sunlit Blonde was recently expanded to this style, and they are bringing Sunlit Blonde to a lot of different Estetica styles. So if you really like this color and you're waiting for it to come to your favorite Estetica style, go below the video. There'll be a link there for the entire Estetica collection. You can check to see if your favorite style is available in this new blonde. So before this blonde was available, they had the RH1488 RT8, which was the lightest blonde that was rooted. And then they also had the Silver Sun RT8, which was more of that silver blonde or platinum look that is also rooted. So this one's kind of nestled in there in between. I think it fills a really nice niche in their blonde palette. So the base color here is going to be a medium to light sandy blonde. Now this blonde it's not overly warm. It doesn't read too gold. It's just a soft sandy blonde. And then within that, you're going to see a lot of highlighting of kind of a pearly platinum color or an icy white color. And that really helps to lighten, brighten, and neutralize. And then all of this on a medium brown root. So I think this is a beautiful, soft blend, a nice neutral light blonde color overall. So when you look at this bob from the front, you're looking at about an 8.75 inch fringe piece here. And that just kind of blends in with the sides. In the back, about a 10.75 inch crown overlapping a 4-inch nape. And that just gives a little bit of a graduated layering effect, but it's not quite a beveling, and it's certainly not a wedge. So if you like styles like Dina by Estetica, which is also available in the Sunlit Blonde, you might like this as a sister style. They're about the same length in terms of the front, but Dina's going to have a nice wedge back to it. This one has a sleek profile. It's low, fitting to the head. Merit weighs about 3.5 ounces and features a lace front and full single monofilament top. Let's get up close on those monofilament lace features. So you can see that there's a really nice fine knotting process there. Along the lace does extend back a bit. There's hidden seams. You're not seeing any seams that are exposed. And this will give you some nice options to wear away from the face. Nor is there a heavy banding of this highlight color right at the front. A lot of you will like that. It's a nice soft look at the front, but it is not a banded effect with those highlights. Now this monofilament top is a full monofilament top. And when I received this style, it was tightly compacted in the box, and I gave it a shake and a swirl. But I can tell you that these fibers sewn into that full monofilament top are very stubborn. It came parted is exactly the way you see it here, so just a bit left of center. I tried to keep this out of the face a little more just by raking it back and doing my normal maneuvers. It is going to be very stubborn if you want to change this part. That's what's frustrating about a full monofilament top, right? Because you'll have all of these options in which to part it, but sometimes the fibers are sewn in a way that it's just darn near impossible to change the part, even though it's a full monofilament top, because they are so set and stubborn. I don't know if they press or steam them in the factory and then package them and send them, but this particular one is very stubborn. We're going to play around with that a little bit in the styling. I'm going to see if I can just wake it up a little bit more to see if we can get some good attractive parting spaces. Now this is made from the regular synthetic fiber. This is not heat friendly, so just be aware of that. I mean, you can still use the heat from your hand or some styling options to keep the sides away from the face. But I absolutely love how this graduated layering ends in a really nice textured, fine weight line there. It's a very wispy look all the way around. It moves and swings like a dream. And again, it kind of hangs straight with a low profile on the sides. So even though this has a classic bob look and appeal, it doesn't have the big volume. So you're definitely getting a low profile on this one. And you guessed it, there's very little permatease here as well. I cannot reach in and touch any soft, pillowy permatease at all anywhere on this cap. So your fingers are your guide to style this. And the more you just sort of fluff and just pick it, it brings out these wispy notes, especially with that really fine, silky fiber. Now, if you wanted to add a bang, of course you could, if you have the skills. If not, please take it to a trained stylist to add a bang on this. So you could go with a shorter fringe or a straight across bang. I think inside look at the cap for Merit by Estetica. There's your lace fan, seam that adjoins the single monofilament top, an open ear tab, a standard nape with the hook and pocket type adjusters. Lots of wefting, lots of stretch. You'll notice I had to cinch it in as far as it could go to get a secure fit. This is typical average to average large fit for Estetica. So as I mentioned, this Merit is straight out of the box. I just brought it out of the box about an hour ago. And I got straight to the review because I really have to get it done because I'm going out of town and I want to have this available to everyone as quick as possible. So again, all I did was shake it out. I kind of swirled around at the root area, applied it, and it kind of fell into this a little bit left of center parting space. And then I just continued to rake it back to keep it out of the face and eyes at 8.75 inches. Initially, it wanted to come in and crowd the face, so you will have to work on that. Let's try with glasses. Beautiful. There's very little permatease on this style, nothing to impede the glasses fit. It's secure and comfortable between the ear and the ear tab. So I'm just going to move this style around for you so you can get a sense of the movement, the density, how silky and wispy it is, and decide if this is something that you want in your wig wardrobe this summer. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you again real soon right here at TAZ's Wig Closet.